Tacos, tacos, tacos. In today's video, we're whipping up another 30-minute meal and we're featuring some high-protein vegan tacos prepared 3 different ways. So if you're a keto warrior or a carb monster, this video recipe can be tailor-fitted towards your lifestyle. And you want to make sure that you watch this entire video because I'm going to show you some of the tips and tricks that I learned over the years to make these phenomenally healthy, flavorful tacos. Stay tuned. All right, people, so it's just that simple. We have prepared 3 tacos, a low-carb version and a carb version. So again, if you're a keto warrior or you're a carb monster, this recipe will suit your needs. So I personally don't have a preference, but I'm sure you guys do. So let me know in the comment section which one you prefer, your lettuce wrap, your corn, or your flour tortilla. But I can't let you guys get out of here without me tasting what I actually cooked. This is actually my favorite part, so oh man, let's see, where do I start? I think I'm gonna start off with the lettuce wrap. Get crunch. Making a mess. Had to get a napkin, got a little messy. The low carb is really good. Nice crunch from the lettuce. It just tastes a party of flavors. You can taste the seasoning from the taco seasoning. You can taste the sriracha. You can taste the avocado crema. It's just a party of flavors. So let's try out the corn. And I just love this char on the outer edges. And then last but not least is the flour. No, that was the flour. This is the corn, my mistake. Got ahead of myself. Wow, I don't know. I can't make a determination on which one I like best. I like them all equally. Let me know in the comment section which one you guys like. I'm sure we all have a preference. Make sure you share this video. Sharing these videos makes us more relevant, helps us grow. Give us some feedback in the comment section. Let us know what you would like to see as we build this series, 30 minutes or less, healthy, flavorful meals. So let us know in the comment section what you would like to see. My name is Donnie D with Sculpting Fit Bodies. Much love, much respect. Till next time, peace.